Hey, poor guy outdoor cooking. Hello. Hi, how are you? Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. A Johnsonville Firecracker sausage, 2.99. They had these marked down. I already used one package. I bought 3 or 4 of them. I don't remember, but the firecracker, we've had these before and they're ever so tasty. They got a good degree of heat on them, but I'm going to wrap these suckers in bacon. If you call that bacon, we're going to call it bacon because it said bacon on the package, but as you can see, oh boy, okay. Well, I think there's at least 10 slices there. So I have actually never wrapped anything in bacon. It's true. I know, I'm lame. But the first time for everything. So let's take these. I'm not stuffing them with cheese or anything. I'm just going to wrap them in bacon. Again, disclaimer, I've never wrapped anything in bacon. It's a true story. It's sad but true. Uh, and this bacon is probably not the best for this, but I'm going to go with 2 per because as you can see, it's not that great. There's an awful lot of fat. So we're just going to wrap these suckers up. This isn't anything new, is it? You're like, poor guy, this has been done 6 million times. Why are you doing this? Because I've never done it. Well, let's set that there. I think it'll work. I mean, it's going to have a lot of fat in it, which will render down on the sausage and perhaps make them even more juicy than they already will be. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So, yeah. Wow. This bacon. We've bought this bacon before. It's obviously pretty inconsistent. We bought this on sale a while ago. It was dirt cheap, and I guess this is the reason. But normally, this bacon is halfway decent. But I was just pulling this apart thinking, oh my God, this is terrible. So you get the idea about wrapping bacon around sausage. But I was interested in trying this with the firecracker sausage versus, or brats or whatever, versus just a regular brat. So I won't make you stay here and watch me very awkwardly wrap these fatty pieces of pork around these pieces of pork. And we're going to do them on the Oklahoma Joe's Highland today. Just got some Kingsford charcoal in there, some hickory chunks, and we're just going to give it a whirl. So come on back when I get these all wrapped up. Please, please come back. Peace. Okay, that was painful, but there they are. Um, I think it'll be okay at the end of the day. So I put together a seasoning for these, and I wanted something sweet. And uh, I'll just tell you, I mean, it's got brown sugar, it's got regular white granulated sugar, mustard powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, cumin, maybe something else that I don't remember. But basically, I wanted something that was sweet to kind of, go against the bacon and the firecracker sausage. So let's go ahead and get these seasoned up. And we're going to smoke them. The temperature I'm looking for, I don't know. Okay, so poor guy outdoor cooking, we're not really a tutorial kind of channel. Um, if you're new here, if you're not new here, if you're one of my people that show up every video, you know how we do things. We kind of wing it. Uh, but I've been wanting to try bacon wrapped sausage or bratwurst for a while. And since I was able to buy these basically at half price and freeze some, well, I think this is going to be good. We had bacon. That one's going to be a little bit of a problem. But hopefully we won't have to move these around too much if we're smoking them, basically. Uh, and I think with the amount of sugar that I have in this, hopefully it'll have a nice color and flavor to them. And at the end, I would like to put some barbecue sauce on them too. So yeah, I'm going heavy with this. I'm going heavy with it. So right now, the Oklahoma Joe's, according to this one, we're running just over 350 here. And Oh, 360 versus about 325 on the cold side. So let's get this opened up. Let me give this a little scrape down here. Okay, good to go. Let's get these on here. Boy, they look good. Let's see. I'll just go ahead and do them that way. There's the ugly one. Yeah, like I said, this seasoning, I was going to go out and buy some today. And I was like, dang it, you know what? We got everything in the house. Why spend $6 or $7 on stuff I already have? And it literally took me 5 minutes to put it together. I just looked up uh, a sweet seasoning, a sweet rub for pork sausage, and I found one that really looked kind of good and what I was looking for. I wanted some sweetness to kind of combat the firecracker and the saltiness of the bacon. Just some hickory wood chunks, like I said. Uh, boom, boom. And how long it's going to take, I don't know. We'll let you know. Um, we'll check back and we'll do an internal temperature on these and make sure they're safe to eat and see how it does. Get some barbecue sauce and pour it on there and eat it up. Yum. Right on. Poor guy outdoor cooking. Thank you. Peace. Okay, as you can see, we got some barbecue sauce that we're going to smear on these suckers. Running right around 275 to 300. So the brats are on this side, so closer to 300. That's what we're looking at so far. Uh, it's been right around an hour. I want to temp these real quick and see what we're looking at. Okay, we're up to 158 on that one. Test this one here in the middle. That's closer to the flame. That's over 160. Okay, we're in good shape to go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on these. I'm not going to go ahead and put it on all sides. This is just a sticky, sweeter barbecue sauce. Head Country, I believe it is. We had bought a double pack of these last time we were at Sam's, 2 big jars. So we're using this up. And as you can see, the bacon is getting crispy and a lot of that fat has rendered off into the sausage. So overall, so far, I'm pleased with the way these are turning out. Now, we're just going to go ahead and put these on, this barbecue sauce on here, and get a nice little glaze. Let them cook for just a little bit longer. I'm not too concerned if they go over on temperature, because with the bacon wrapped around it and the fat rendering down, I think they'll be just fine. Well, you can really smell that action too. Mamma mia. And I don't have any buns, so when I give it a taste test, I'm gonna slice one open. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm not gonna put anything on it. I just want to taste it. Like I said, those are the firecracker ones, so those got spice to them. Not over the top, but a good amount of heat. So that's why I went with a sweet rub and kind of a sweeter barbecue sauce with the bacon. I think it'll be a real interesting flavor. So looking forward to this one. For the most part, except for that ugly one in the back, they look pretty good, and the bacon is getting crispy on them for the most part too. So when we come back, we're going to give it a try, and then we'll let you all go on with the rest of your lives. How about that? Right on. Peace. They're done. Check it out. They look fantastic. I don't know what more to say other than to give them a try. Mile High Guy Barbecue. Mm. Like I said, I'm just going to slice one of these open. Let's go with this one here in the end and see what these are all about. Let's take a look. Still plenty of juice in those suckers. Oh yeah. Like I said, I am not going to put these on the bun right now. Lost some bacon on that one. The bacon stayed on pretty good. But they get crispy. Let's give these a try. Firecracker bacon wrapped brats. Cheers. Lord have mercy. Oh boy. Wow. Just as I expected, you got the smoke from the Oklahoma Joes, the heat with the firecracker brats, the sweetness of the rub and the barbecue sauce. I'm getting the heat in the back of the throat right now, the crispiness and the saltiness of the bacon. Honestly, these were fantastic. Fantastic. Wow. First time I've done these. Well, I'll tell you, I really like that spicy brat flavor on these. If you've done these and you've never tried it with, a spicier brat, give it a try and just try it with the sweet element to it. Mamma mia. What? Oh, okay. Poor guy out there cooking. Like, comment, subscribe. That's what we got for you this week. And appreciate everybody that stops by. Leave a comment. That'd be great. And definitely hit that thumbs up and subscribe would be awesome. Right on. Peace.